Hi guys, this is Khushbu. Welcome to Algorithms Made Easy. The next rule for overriding is that overriding method must have the same argument list. Because if you do not give the same argument, it would become method overloading instead of method overriding, and there is a difference between these two things. Method overriding is runtime polymorphism, while method overloading is a compile time polymorphism, wherein you have the same method name but different parameters, and at the compile time your method is bound depending on what are the parameters passed to that particular method. So that's method overloading, and method overriding is runtime polymorphism, wherein your method is chosen at the runtime depending on what is the type of object that you're calling it upon. So let's quickly go through an example for this. Again, taking the same example, let's say I have the says method which has no parameter that I have passed into it. Now I am taking this method, overriding it in my child class, that is a dog class, extending the animal class, and if over here I am taking a string s parameter, it starts giving me a compile time error which says that the method does not override the method from its superclass. And so that's not method overriding, but it's method overloading instead. So keep in mind that it should have the same name and the same parameter list. So over here it would be a blank parameter list in order to adhere to the guidelines that are given for method overriding. So that's it for this rule. Stay tuned, keep learning.